Hello everyone, welcome to another IELTS Writing Task 2 essay by Go Inter Academy. In this video, we'll be looking at how to write the agree or disagree essay, which is another popular type in the IELTS Writing Task 2. Now when dealing with this kind of essay, a lot of students, they think that they have to take a strong side and argue it hard. But that's not always the best approach. A high-scoring essay can still explore both sides, show your opinion, and most importantly, go deeper. We follow the four-part framework that we learned before: the introduction, detail, twist, and conclusion. And the topic that we're dealing with today is about digital technology and social connection, something that many of us can relate to. So let's start writing this essay. We'll begin with the introduction, which follows the four-sentence structure as we did in the previous videos. We'll be looking at how to write hook, general statement, specific statement, and a thesis. Now let's start with the hook. Let's start with a visual, familiar scene, something that is real and easy to picture. A group of friends sitting together at a cafe, yet instead of talking, they are all glued to their phones. Now that is a hook, something that a lot of people can relate to. Now we'll go into the general statement. We're going to step back and introduce the broader issue, the way technology has changed and how we connect. With smartphones, social media, and instant messaging, technology has reshaped how we communicate. Now we go to the specific statement, where we introduce the debate. This sentence shows both perspectives without giving our opinions yet. Some believe it strengthens relationship by making communication easier, while others argue it weakens real human connection. Now, we're going to wrap it up with the thesis statement by telling the reader what to expect. Not just the two views, but a deeper idea of our own. This essay will explore both perspectives before discussing a deeper issue often overlooked in this debate. Now let's group the full introduction together now. This is what it looks like. Now moving on to the detailed paragraph. We'll start with the argument that supports technology as a helpful tool. We'll be following the same pattern as before by introducing the view, explaining it, then supporting it with a real-life example. This is how we're going to write it. Technology has made communication faster and more accessible. This is your topic sentence. It introduces the main idea clearly. Video calls, social media, and messaging apps allow people to stay connected across long distances. This explains how it works, using specific familiar tools. For instance, families separated by work or migration can maintain close relationships despite being in different countries. So this final sentence grounds the idea with a simple, real-world example. Now let's read the full paragraph. Now we have written a paragraph showing the benefits of technology. Now we're going to write another paragraph in the detail showing how technology weakens connection. We're going to look at the opposite view, the idea that technology is hurting real relationships. So we're going to follow the same structure by having a clear topic sentence, explanation, evidence, and a final insight. However, excessive reliance on technology can weaken in-person interactions. Now this topic sentence opens up an argument on technology. Now let's continue. Many people prioritize screens over real conversations, reducing social skills. Now this sentence explains how technology can affect behaviors and relationships. Studies have linked heavy social media use to increased loneliness and depression. Now this gives academic support, something examiners love to see. Instead of fostering genuine bonds, technology can sometimes create a false sense of connection. Now this last sentence brings the problem all together, a connection that looks real, but really isn't. Here's the full paragraph of the opposite view. Now that we've finished writing the details, it's time to go to the twist paragraph, where we will go beyond both sides and show critical thinking. In this paragraph, we're going to introduce the idea that the real problem isn't the technology itself, but it's how we use it. So this is how we write it. Rather than blaming technology, the real issue lies in how people use it. So this flips the focus from the tool to the user. We're no longer blaming the technology, but we're taking responsibility on how we use it. Some use it to strengthen relationships, while others become addicted to screens, replacing real interaction with virtual ones. So this shows the contrast, two very different ways to use the same tool. A couple can use technology to stay connected in a long-distance relationship, or they can sit in the same room ignoring each other while scrolling on their phones. So this example is clear, relatable, and make the message memorable. So here's the full twist paragraph. Now we're going to wrap it all up, not with a dry summary, but with balance, depth, and a final thought that leaves the readers thinking. Technology has transformed how we interact, offering both convenience and disconnection. This brings together the pros and cons. The key is not whether technology is good or bad, but how we use it. This sentence summarizes the twist in a clear and direct way. So instead of asking whether technology strengthens or weakens relationship, perhaps the real question is, how can we use it to bring people closer together rather than push them apart? Now that's a thoughtful ending, not just a conclusion, but a question that we invite the readers to think with us. So let's quickly recap on how we use the 4-part framework to write an agree or disagree essay. So in the introduction, we set up both sides and looked at a deeper idea. In the detailed paragraphs, we explain each side clearly and fairly. In the twist, we bring in a smarter perspective. It's about user, not the tool. And in the conclusion, we leave the reader with a question worth thinking about. So the structure can help us build a full, thoughtful essay, not just an argument, but rather a conversation. So that's a wrap for this video. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we'll be looking at how to use this framework to write a 2-part essay. That will be our last video for the IELTS Writing Task 2. See you then.